Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Goat's customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser, go to Google, and then in the Google search box type in Goat customer service. But Goat makes it really tricky or difficult to find any live chats or even to email them. So I'm on their Goat support page here, as you can see, and if we scroll down this page, there's literally nowhere we can click to speak to a live agent or a customer service rep. So what we need to do is go back to the Google search results, scroll down, and there's a company called here, pissconsumer.com. So what we need to do is click into here, Goat customer service phone number. So they got the phone number here that you can call, and you can even send Goat customer service a message as well.